11 Easy Mindfulness Practices for Beginners. Mindfulness is more than just a buzzword. It's a practice that can transform how we experience life. In today's fast-paced world, where distractions abound and stress seems inevitable, mindfulness offers a pathway to inner peace and mental clarity. Whether you're new to mindfulness or looking to deepen your practice, these 11 easy mindfulness practices are designed to help you cultivate awareness and presence in everyday life. 1. Mindful breathing. Start by simply focusing on your breath. Take slow, deep breaths, noticing the sensation of the air entering and leaving your nostrils, or the rise and fall of your chest and abdomen. This practice anchors you to the present moment and calms the mind. 2. Body scan meditation. Sit or lie down comfortably. Close your eyes and bring your attention to different parts of your body, starting from your toes and moving up to your head. Notice any sensations without judgment. This practice enhances body awareness and relaxation. 3. Mindful walking. Take a leisurely walk, focusing on each step you take. Feel the ground beneath your feet, the movement of your legs, and the sensation of the air against your skin. Engage all your senses in the experience of walking. 4. Eating mindfully. Before eating, take a moment to appreciate the colors, textures, and smells of your food. Chew slowly, savoring each bite. Notice the flavors and how your body responds to nourishment. This practice fosters gratitude and a deeper connection to your food. 5. Mindful listening. During conversations or when listening to music, practice mindful listening. Pay full attention to the speaker or the music without planning your response or getting distracted by other thoughts. This cultivates empathy and enhances your ability to connect with others. 6. Gratitude practice. Each day, take a few minutes to reflect on things you're grateful for. Write them down in a journal or simply mentally note them. Practicing gratitude shifts your focus from what's lacking to what's abundant in your life. 7. Mindful technology use. Consciously limit your screen time and practice mindful consumption of digital content. Before picking up your phone or computer, pause and ask yourself if it aligns with your current intentions and values. 8. Nature mindfulness. Spend time outdoors and immerse yourself in nature. Notice the sights, sounds, and smells around you. Feel the sun on your skin or the breeze in your hair. Connecting with nature rejuvenates the spirit and enhances well-being. 9. Mindful journaling. Set aside time each day to write about your thoughts, feelings, and experiences. Use the practice of journaling to explore your inner world with curiosity and compassion. This practice promotes self-reflection and emotional clarity. 10. Loving kindness meditation. Sit quietly and repeat phrases of loving kindness towards yourself and others. Start with simple wishes like, may I be happy, may I be healthy, may I be safe. Then extend these wishes to loved ones, acquaintances, and eventually all beings. This practice cultivates compassion and empathy. 11. Mindful pause. Throughout the day, take mindful pauses. Stop whatever you're doing for a moment, close your eyes if possible, and bring your awareness to your breath. Allow yourself to reset and come back to the present moment. Incorporating these mindfulness practices into your daily routine doesn't require a significant time commitment, but can yield profound benefits for your mental, emotional, and even physical well-being. Start with one practice that resonates with you and gradually explore others. Remember, mindfulness is a journey of self-discovery and self-care. By nurturing awareness and presence, you empower yourself to live more fully and authentically. Embrace these mindfulness practices with an open heart and mind, and watch as they enrich your life in unexpected ways. Here's to cultivating mindfulness and experiencing the beauty of the present moment, one breath at a time. If you found these mindfulness practices helpful, consider incorporating them into your daily life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more mindful content from Mind's Mirror. Let's embark on this journey of mindfulness together.